their most, how should I say, important benefits that they can experience in the mentoring program is one, actually having the experience of who they are, because we talk about it a lot, and that remains on an actual level. But to actually experience in their body who they are, and that could be a split second of realization. It's like perhaps the experience of that spontaneous light experience, or that sense of instantly going into that space of oneness and feeling that and having no words for that, but actually having that conscious experience. Second one could be their willingness to bring forth their innate gifts, their talents. And so we help people through, I suppose, our intuitional flows to, how shall I say, reflect back to them, mirror back to them their gifts of naturally being able to listen to people's problems, their natural ability to have people feel safe and secure. And that's very important right now, to feel that safety and that confidence and that surety that, yes, everything is really okay. And we can move forward, you can take that next step. You can move into the void and not be afraid. And perhaps a third one could be the experience of having the power and the strength. We call it self-confidence or high self-esteem, or just a sense of spiritual knowingness that you can move forward in spite of the fact that you may not have had any training in this particular field of coaching or healing. And you can create, because we can give you ideas about how to network into the world, your tribe, to feel that, oh, I now have support on this business level. Oh, I see. I can connect up with these people that can help me with my personal healing. So really, the opportunities are just there. They're in the oneness. And we guide people into bringing their focus into, oh, okay, I can do that. I can connect with these kinds of people. I can feel confident that I am provided. And that's probably a real big key, that really everything is provided for you in your journey. And you're not doing it alone. You have lots of help physically and energetically.